Welcome to Ryan Toy Review. Ryan and Spider-Man was taking a walk. It's a good day to open our egg surprise. Along named Darth Vader.
Give me my egg surprise.
Never! Oh no, Darth Vader's stealing Spider-Man's leg. Oh no, Darth Vader's dropping the boulder on Spider-Man.
I got you, Spidey.
Oh no, the boulder's heavy. I have an idea. Let's get a bulldozer. Let's go rescue him. Whoa. Whoa. Buddy, I'll rescue you. Yeah, we got it off the pin.
Whoa! Nice, I didn't know it could spin.
I'm gonna get you, Darth Vader. Get you, Darth Vader. Now we can open our egg surprise. Marvel Superhero Blind Bag! It's Electro. Am I closer already?
Too close.
Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye. If you want more bulldozing by